Hi friend. Hi folks. I'm Wasim Mukhtar, and I am going to talk here how to start with .NET Maui. So first, you should have Visual Studio installed on your machine. It could be community, enterprise, or professional version. And if it is already installed, so just make sure to enable Maui. So I'm going to share how we can enable .NET Maui with Visual Studio community. The same process you can follow for the enterprise and professional. So you have to go to modify, and here you should have enable or you can see the .NET multi platform app UI development that is supported for .NET 1. And if this is enabled, so you should also you should also enable this ASP.NET and web development so that you have .NET Maui will be installed. And also make sure if you have Android and .NET Maui SDK for Android and .NET SDK for Android. So this is from the Visual Studio installer, and after checking this, you can modify this .NET Maui or the Visual Studio platform. Okay, so I have already enabled it, so that's why it's shown here. Next thing, the next step you have to do, you have to open the PowerShell. I will open the PowerShell as an administrator. So I have opened the PowerShell. You have to write. You have to execute a command to enable Maui. So that is .NET load install Maui. So after installing it, it will install all of the required SDK, that is Android, Mac, iOS as well, and the Windows as well. It will install all the required Maui SDK on this machine. So I'm trying to install it. So I have already installed. So it is saying it is showing Workload Maui is already installed. Okay.
Create new start window.
After this process has been done, you can
You
open
should
the Visual
now
Studio.
able to see here the Maui
In Visual Studio,
project type, and
if you
when we
go to the
select,
create
you
new
will
start
have all
window,
Maui application type on this Dotnet Maui app, Blazor, class library,
you should
and
now able
you
to
can work
see
accordingly.
here the Maui
So that's it from my
project
side.
type.
So
And
so
when we
that's
select,
it from my side.
you will have all Maui
We'll see
application
you
type
in
on this
next video.
.NET Maui
Thank you
app,
very much.
Blazor, class library, and you can work accordingly. So that's it from my side. So that's it from my side. We'll see you in next video. Thank you very much.